Welcome to Split, Croatia, home of beautiful beaches, ancient history, and a terrifyingly tall bell tower. Today, I've decided to climb that bell tower since I'm here in Croatia.
I've decided to climb this, but I'm kind of waiting till noon because I don't want it to go off on me when I'm up there. Because that would be crazy loud and I'd probably fall over and fall off. See? Told you I didn't want to be up there for that. That would hurt my ears. Glad I didn't climb up when this was going off. That's why I waited. Crazy loud. Okay, this is the bell tower steps. It's really narrow and scary. Going up here on my own.
It's known for its narrow staircases that make the climb feel a little bit sketchy. This bell tower is part of the Diocletian's palace. The tower itself was built in the 13th century and it stands about 187 feet tall. But if you survive, I mean when you survive, the view from the top is insane.
Really high steps. It feels like a leap.
You get a 360-degree view of Split and the Adriatic Sea, and you also get your life flashing before your eyes.
Okay, there's more. This one's so high. My gosh. These steps are so steep, no joke. Holy moly. I'm scared of heights. I think I might have to... I'm gonna have to hold on for this one. As it looks, it's windy. Holy moly, I'm here with the bells already. Crazy. Nice up here. What is that thing? Oh, that's that vestibule thing. Wow, this is cool. But it's a little bit scary. It's really high and you're kind of exposed and I've still got loads to go. I feel like I'm going to get blown away going up. There's still all that to go. Okay, I'm going up. I'm glad there's steps. Actually, it seems really scary now. I'm not sure about it. It's windy. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna cancel. Holy shit, I don't like it. I can't do it. I don't think I can do it, to be honest. I'm gonna have to put it down. That's okay. Not sure I like it. Might have to put my coat down, leave my coat here somehow, get it later.
This is the part where I froze and I freaked out when I left. I went back down because it was so windy and it was very exposed with the steps see-through and every which way you could see through. So I'm going to go back there with my friends and conquer it, but I didn't want to do it on my own. I was scared. This is my second attempt of me trying to climb the bell tower. Can I make it? I brought my friend with me to help me up there because it's so scary when you can see right through the bloody steps, and each side you can see all the way through everywhere. And it just feels kind of eerie when you're scared of heights. It feels like you're going to get blown off or something. So anyway, come and see if I made it to the top.
I'm putting my glasses on. Okay. I'm really tired. I can't walk straight and up there because I'm absolutely exhausted. This is the thing I was talking about. Vestibule. How did they get up there? Do people there? I don't know how did they get up there. Maybe that's part of the tour. Oh, maybe. This is no script when you get paid, really. It's not even, I'm scared. Can you don't look down? No, it's not looking down, it's like, just look up. I might have to give you the stick. Can you take the stick? Or do you need help? Okay. Like holding both hands? Yeah. There's no window. Sorry. Holy shit. You got it. You got it. I've got to come back down. Just look up the stairs. Don't look down. Just look up. It seems like this, right? Is it doing the 360 already? Yeah, it does it. Okay. Gosh. How far is that? I mean, it's not much choice. You got this. You got this. You got this. Just don't look down at the grates. Don't look down at the grates. Just keep looking at the walls. No, it's okay. Nothing's gonna fall. It's okay. Do we have to? Keep going. You got it. You got it. You got it. Look up at the stone wall. Look up at the stone wall. Go up to that landing and just let those people pass. No, go ahead. Go ahead. She's afraid. Hold her hand. Look at this one just prancing down. He's just like, whatever.
He's local. He's from the Splits.
No, he's been up a time or two. Okay. Fair. Keep going, Michelle. You got it.
Can you take some photos for me?
Well, yeah. If I ever make it upstairs.
This is the part where I didn't want to move. I froze. Look, I couldn't even walk across from the other side to the other. What a big wimp, honestly.
Yeah, like, it's nothing. It's a gorgeous view. It's not windy compared to yesterday. Can you imagine yesterday?
The views from the top of the bell tower were fabulous. Definitely recommend going, even if you're scared of heights, because you probably won't be as scared as me. And it was fantastic up there, actually. Going down was easier. It didn't seem as scary. So once you're up there, you're good. And look at the views. It was amazing. Split Croatia is amazing. If you have any questions about it, feel free to drop me a message. I'd love to answer your questions and I'd love to interact with some of my viewers because viewers like you make my channel. Woohoo! Thank you again. See you on the next video.